Hello guys, welcome to my channel gatecse preparation. So in this video I will teach you operators in C. So let's start with the operators. So there are so many operator in C. See, there is unary operator. In unary operator there is plus plus minus minus. These are the unary operator. There is also arithmetic operator, plus minus, into, division, modulus. Relational operator are less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to. There is also logical operator, logical and, logical or, logical not. I think you know the everything. Just I am giving overview. I will solve one only basic question for this time. But as I told you, I will solve so many questions in next video. Just after giving the overview. So now bitwise operator, bitwise and, bitwise or, left shift, right shift. Okay, bitwise XOR. Also assignment operator, equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, into. This one assignment operator. Ternary operator I have already told you, conditional operator. So now I will start with arithmetic operator. Okay, so all arithmetic operator, plus, minus, into, divide, modulus, plus plus, minus minus, these are. So I will solve arithmetic operator. So a, okay, so this is a, 15, b equal to 5. So first printf statement, a plus b equal to percentile d. So first what it will be, a plus b, equal to 20, they will print. Second, a minus b equal to percentile d, a minus b equal to 15 minus 10, 5, 10. A into b, what it will print, tell me. 10 in 15 into 5, 75. Fourth, a divided by b, so what it will give us, output 15 divided by 5, 3. There is a modulus, a percentile b, what it will give us, 0, because 15 divided by 5, 3, 15, modulus will give us remainder. So remainder is 0. So modulus function will always give us remainder. Okay, modulus function always give us remainder. So it is 0. Now plus a. What plus a will do? Tell me. (15) plus a. Unary operator. Okay. So plus a will give us 16 plus 15. So after printf a plus plus percentile d a plus, so it will give us 16. Printf a minus minus, what it will print us, 14. Okay, now I think for arithmetic operator you understood. Now I will go to relational operator. Relational operator, what relational operator do? Less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to. Okay, relational operator, relational operators. So if a relational operator, if condition satisfied, then it will return true. Otherwise return true, otherwise false. So we'll solve one question. So you have to remember, for relational operators, if condition satisfied, then it will return true, otherwise false. So A15, A15, B5. So printf A less than B, percentile D. So A less than B, 15 less than 5. Okay, 15 less than 5. 15 less than 5. No. So it is false. So it will print false. Printf A greater than B, percentile A greater than B, 15 greater than 5. It is true. So it will print true. So it will print true. A less than equal to 15 less than equal to 5. No, it is false. So it will print false. A greater than equal to B, 15 greater than equal to 5. So it will print true. A equal to B, 15 equal to 5. No, it is false. So it will print false. A not equal to 5. 15 not equal to 5. Yeah, it is true. So it will print true. Okay. So this is about relational operator. Relational operator, what it will do? It first check the condition. After that it will return true, either true or false. Okay. So now I will teach you logical operator. Logical operators. So this is logical and this is called, we are calling logical and. Okay, when logical, it will also return true or false. It returns true or false. Okay, you have to remember, it will return true, or false. When it will return true, logical and. See, A logical and B. When it is true and when it is true, then logical and will return true. Logical and will return true. Okay, so you have to remember this thing. When logical and will return true, this is the expression. A logical and B. When A is true, B is true, then logical and will return true. If A is true, B is false, then what? Logical and will return, then logical and will return false. If A logical and B, this is true, this is true, this is false, what it will return? It will return false. Okay, so logical and will return true when both A and B are true. You have to remember this thing. Then logical or. It is also return true or false. So A logical or B. In logical or case, okay, in logical or case, it returns true, true when one or both of the condition is satisfied. Both of the operands both of the operands one or both of the operands are true. Okay, you have to remember in logical or case it will return true when one of the operand in between A and B. If one of the operand will be true, then it will return true. Otherwise, if both the operand is true, then it will return true. Okay, so A logical or B, if it is true, it is false. So in logical or case, if one first statement is true, first operand is true, then you don't have to check the second operand. If first operand is true, then you don't have to check the second operand. Okay, so it will return true. In logical or case, I am repeating, if one of the operand is true, then it will return true. Okay, if it is first operand is true, then we don't have to check the second operand. Okay, you don't have to check the second operand. So this is the example. If I will tell another negative scenario. Okay, if it is false, also it is false, then it will return false. Okay, then logical not. This is the third. In logical not case, okay, it returns true. Returns true when condition is not satisfied. In that is, this will return true when A is false. Okay, if A is true, then it will return false. If A is false, then it will return true. Okay, now I think you understood. This is very important. Actually, logical and is very important. Arithmetic and relational you know very well, but this is the logical operator is very important. Another is bitwise operator. Bitwise operator I will teach you in next video. So in this video I will solve 2-3 questions for logical operator. Okay, this is the question. See, this is the question. int main, int a equal to 5. Question 1, solution 1. Okay, so a 5, b 2, C 5, D 10. Now what is if A greater than B, logical and C equal to D? What is then logical and case if both the both the statement are true, then if statement will be executed. Okay, logical and case, first we have to check this condition A greater than B. So 5 greater than 2, it is true, correct, 5 greater than 2. Now logical and in between C equal to D, 5 equal to 10, 5 equal to 10, no, it is false. Now see, first statement is, see, if A greater than B and C equal to D, now it is true. Now it is false. Actually, I have written true for T, false for F. Okay, you have to understand this way. I cannot write so much thing. I'm writing shortcut. Okay, so this is true, this is false. Then what it will return now? It will return false. Return false. Logical and will return true when both of, if this statement true, this statement true, but this statement, this expression returning, this expression returning false. So now it will return false. So when it is returning false, then if false, if it will true, then it will execute the if statement, but now if false, so it will go to the else statement. So now in else statement it will execute that printf. Logical and is not satisfied, so in output it will print, what it will print? Logical and is not satisfied. Okay, I think you understand this question. Okay, so this is the example for logical and. For logical or, I will also solve one question. Okay, similar, same question. So now I will put one condition. So now for logical or also I will write. This is for logical or. Logical or. Question is int main int a equal to 5, b equal to 2, c equal to 5, d equal to 10. Only I am writing that condition, I am not writing everything. A greater than b, here I am only, instead of logical and, I am just writing this statement, else this statement. Okay, so now I will solve. Okay, this is the question. Instead of logical and, I am writing logical or. So a equal to how much? 5, b 2, c 5, d 10. So now I have to check a greater than b, logical or, c equal to d. So a greater than b, 5 greater than 2, it is true. See, logical or case, if one statement is true, first statement is true, this statement, if this statement is true, then we don't need to check the second statement. No need to check. No need to check. So now it will return what it will return? It will return true. So if it will return true, then now if statement now you will execute. Okay. If it return true, so if statement will execute it in now it will go to inside if statement and it will print that printf statement. Okay, this is fine. This is for logical or. Okay, if somehow this condition fails false, then we have to check the second statement. Okay, if this condition is true, then we don't need to check. This condition fail, then we have to check for logical or. Okay, then okay, so guys, please like and subscribe my channel. So if any improvement needed, then tell me in also comment section. Okay.